Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to make this table. So let's now start the video. First go to front view. Now choose the line tool and make a line of 1200 mm. Make a horizontal line of 100 mm. Now create a parallel line to this line. Close the profile. Now request to give a value of 30 mm. Now select this whole body, right click and make group. Go to motor, choose this point, press Ctrl and place it over here. Now go to flex tool, choose this body with around this plane. Now go to move tool, select this point, place it over here. Slightly adjust it. Now select these two bodies, right click and make it. Go to move tool, select this point, press Ctrl and place it at 850 mm. Now we'll make top of the table. What will we do? Rectangle tool, select this point and select this point. Go to push pull tool, give a value of 50 mm. Choose this face and drag it up to 150 mm. Choose this face and drag it up to 150 mm. Here also choose this face, drag it up to 150 mm. Choose this face and drag it up to 150 mm. Now choose this top, double click and right click, choose make group. Now go rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Go to mode tool, go to select tool, select this rectangle, choose mode tool, select this point, press Ctrl and place it at a distance of 150 mm. Press Ctrl and place it at a distance of 220 mm. Again select this point, press Ctrl, place it at 220 mm. Select again do this. Now go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool and give a value of 2.5 mm. Now we'll make the support for the table. For this, go to line tool and create a horizontal line like this. Again, create a horizontal line like this. Go to push pull tool. Before this, we have to close this part. I'm going to push pull tool to this face and drag it up to here. Now select this face, body, right click and make group. Over move tool, choose this point, press control and place it. Place it over here. Now go to flip tool, select the body, move it around this level. Now go to move tool, to this point and take it over here. Now that our table is ready, select this whole body, paint the texture to it. First go to material, go to wood, choose this texture and give it to here. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.